like place, space, when, where, tapos yung pag-i-edit na nakakatamad, and that's the reason why I look for someone that could help me on doing edits. And kaya naghahanap din ako ng personal assistant ko, so that assistant could help me out to figure out things, look for something, do the research and everything. Aside from that, yung pagka-conceptualize and yung panghihina na rin ng loob. Saan ba ito pupunta? Like, may makikinig ba? May magsasend ba ng letters and suggestions nila? So, doon naputol yung mga bagay-bagay na nung na-conceptualize ko na noon. Pero hindi siya nagmamaterialize kasi hindi ko tinuloy-tuloy. Kaya nandito na naman ako. Isa sa mga factor kung bakit natigil ako that time is because I don't really have a good space. Magulo, hindi presentable. And hopefully this time maging consistent na ako. I think this is what I am really wanting. To share things, to explore, to review, to react. Because I want to be heard. Everyone wanted to be heard. Ano na ba si next speed ngayon? I will review, react, and share anything I encounter, or kung ano lang yung gusto ko i-share sa inyo. So, I'm gonna share that to other social media accounts that I have. I hope you can guys follow me. I'll just give you like 5 seconds. Click the subscribe button, the follow button, wherever you're watching this. It doesn't take that 5 seconds. Just do it now. Next Speed is a podcast show. So, this is where I'm also planning to invite people so we can dive into such topics that can help us either grow or learn something. Try to share your thoughts. Ganon. So, that's probably the purpose of the podcast. And that's the goal. To hear you, to release those, para ma-release ninyo yung gusto ninyong i-release dyan. Share it with me. I can read it through letters. You can just schedule so we can discuss that. If you want to share something, yeah, you can share it here unfiltered. I'm willing to listen.